Have you ever imagined a simple magic oil capable of transforming your financial life, bringing abundance, wealth, and prosperity? Yes, that's exactly what you'll learn today. In this video, we'll unveil a powerful and mysterious elixir known to attract money and luck in an extraordinary way. Get ready to discover how simple ingredients can align your energies with fortune and open pathways to incredible financial opportunities. Are you curious to learn more? Then stay tuned because we have a magical journey ahead. Before we begin, I invite you to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you won't miss any magical and spiritual content we'll bring to you. Like and share this video to spread prosperity. Leave a comment expressing your gratitude to God, letting your words echo infinitely and allowing the universe to bring everything you desire. Your participation is crucial for more people to discover these secrets and transform their lives. Let's talk about the elixir of luck. This magical oil is specially formulated to align your energies with luck and prosperity. Whether you're seeking a financial opportunity, a salary raise, or even winning the lottery, the elixir of luck is here to help you achieve it all. If it's a combination of powerful ingredients that, when combined, create a synergy capable of attracting wealth into your life. Imagine a future where money flows easily to you. It sounds like a dream, but it's a reality within your reach. For this ritual to work, it's essential to have faith and conviction. Believe that you deserve the blessings of the universe. Before you start, leave a comment expressing your faith and conviction. Tell the universe that you're ready to receive the prosperity you deserve. Your belief is the key that unlocks the power of this elixir. Remember, what you think and feel you attract. Together, let's manifest abundance. Let's start with the base oils. You can choose between olive oil, sunflower oil, almond oil, or garlic oil. Each of these oils has its unique energies that enhance the magic of the elixir of luck. Olive oil is known for its purity and protective energy. Sunflower oil brings the sunlight, attracting happiness and success. Almond oil is gentle, attracting positive energies and love. And garlic oil is powerful for repelling negativity and creating a barrier against negative influences. Choose the oil that resonates most with your intention. Specifically, garlic oil is fascinating. It not only repels negativity, but also creates a protective barrier around you. This ingredient is crucial if you feel you need extra protection against negative energies that may be blocking your financial flow. Garlic has been used for centuries in various cultures for purification and protection. Including garlic oil in our elixir of luck will ensure that nothing interferes with your prosperity. Another essential ingredient is cinnamon. You can use ground cinnamon or cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon is known for its properties of attracting financial prosperity and good luck. Its vibrant and warm energy raises the vibration of the elixir, making it even more effective. Each time you use this elixir, cinnamon will help bring more money and opportunities into your life. Feel the aroma of cinnamon and imagine fortune coming to you. For protection, we'll add dried rosemary. Rosemary is a powerful herb for warding off negative energies, envy, and bad influences. It clears the path for new financial opportunities. When we use rosemary, we're creating an energetic shield that protects our prosperity and opens new paths. Imagine yourself surrounded by a protective aura where nothing can hinder your financial success. Vanilla essence is the last essential ingredient. It can be in the form of oil extract or even vanilla beans. Vanilla attracts abundance and repels negative energies with its sweet and comforting energy. It brings a sense of comfort and security, helping to open doors to new financial possibilities. Feel the sweetness of vanilla emanating through the environment, filling your space with vibrations of prosperity. Now let's proceed with the preparation and storage of our elixir of luck. First, choose a glass bottle that can be sealed. I recommend a glass bottle with a hermetic lid. Then add the ingredients in the following order: your chosen base oil, dried rosemary, cinnamon, and finally vanilla essence. After adding all the ingredients, seal the bottle tightly. Next, place the bottle on the ground, preferably during a full moon night, allowing it to absorb the energies of the moon and the earth. Let the bottle rest on the ground throughout the night, as this enhances the power of the elixir. After this night, store the bottle in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight to maintain its effectiveness. Whenever you use it, gently shake the bottle to mix the ingredients well and activate its magical properties. Using the elixir of luck is simple and powerful. You can apply it on candles, use it as perfume, or even rub a little on your hands before making any important financial transaction. Use it when playing the lottery, looking for a new job, asking for a raise, or in any situation where you need a financial boost. Imagine the elixir acting as a talisman, bringing luck and money into your life. Believe in the power of this elixir of luck and use it with intention and confidence. The more you believe, the more powerful it becomes. Each application of the elixir is a statement of your deservingness. Prosperity is within your reach. Just reach out and seize it. Don't forget to keep following our channel for more content that elevates your vibration and brings good energies. In addition to using the elixir of luck, I strongly recommend that you listen to the positive affirmation videos available on our channel. These videos are designed to reprogram your mind, helping to attract prosperity, success, and happiness into your life. By listening to these affirmations regularly, you'll strengthen your intentions and create a mindset of abundance. The combination of the elixir of luck with positive affirmations creates a powerful energy field that magnetizes wealth and opportunities. So be sure to check out our videos and incorporate these practices into your daily routine to further enhance the results. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and share this video. By subscribing, you'll always be updated on new rituals and secrets to attract prosperity and happiness. Together, let's create a community of light where everyone shares success and abundance. May the universe conspire in our favor, and may luck always be on our side. Thank you for watching.